me see here. Professor Black Ops is here. Thanks for stopping by, man. I appreciate you. Let me see. Got some other comments. Um, he said, Sippy says, he ain't lying. I went to an interview and got destroyed because I did not know the difference between the different policies that exist. Um, okay, Larry, my man Larry, how you doing, sir? He says, "What's up, Bruce? What's up, chat?" He says, "Hey, I was gonna grab your GPT prompt book. Working on my resume, unfortunately. Oh shit." Hang in there, Larry, man. I wouldn't leave just yet, man. I would stay where you're at. Don't let this whole thing deter you from your goals. And he said, "Would you consider it still current, or should I wait for an update?" For I did a book right when GPT started getting hot, where I was breaking down how to use it, how I've been using it. It's changing so fast, Larry. To be honest with you, the best thing you can do if you're trying to do GPT and get deeper into it is to just jump straight into it, watch videos on it. The most current stuff. This field is moving so fast that a book cannot keep up with it. And I knew it would be fast, but it's very, very fast. It would be good to get a good foundational understanding, but the best thing you could possibly do, this doesn't benefit me, right? Like, I should tell you, oh, you got to get the book. Here's the book right here. Just buy it right now. Listen, if you're trying to get into AI, generative AI, probably the best place to start would be, well, YouTube, obviously, because it's free and there's tons of stuff, and it's all like it's constantly happening in real time. And they'll have like an hour-long video breaking things down, and it's 2 days ago, right? It would be the best one. If you want to go deeper than that, I'm finding this out myself in real time. If you want to go deeper than that, then there's like a big three that have a really good courses that are also free to start off with machine learning and generative AI. And it's going to be Amazon. It's going to be Azure by Microsoft, Azure, and Google. These are the biggest players right now in AI. Now, if you're thinking, well, what about OpenAI? So Microsoft owns a very large chunk of OpenAI. So, and the reason why I point out these three is because they have a place where you can, let me see if I can find it real quick. They have a place where you can learn this stuff and have a really good breakdown of machine learning. So let me see if I can, what's machine learning crash course? Yeah, Google's machine learning crash course, stuff like this. 12 modules, 15 hours, and it's just basic. It's going to walk you through basic stuff. Oh, let me show my screen real quick. It's going to walk you through basic things that you need to know. And Facebook has one. I believe Facebook has one. But the ones I'm most familiar with is this one here, Google. AWS has one. And then Azure has one. These are some of the best places to go to learn about AI. Learn about, just like what I tell people with IT fundamentals. Whenever somebody asks, I'm like a broken record. Every time somebody says, oh, how can I get in this field? I always say, you got to know the IT fundamentals. If you know it, then you can build on best practices, and then you can start thinking GRC stuff. Like there's a hierarchy, and with AI, it's the same thing. So with AI, the fundamentals is generative AI and machine learning. How does it work? And then you can start building into like, okay, well, how do we implement this safely? What ways can we use this to help us with cybersecurity SOC analysis. So you've got, once you learn the fundamentals, so the best places to learn would be Google, Amazon. They have great fundamental courses. They, after a while, they're promoting their own product, which some of them are dope, but first learn the basics and then build from there. I'm not telling you anything I'm not doing myself. My book is already outdated. It's not, I'm not telling you don't get it. It's still some dope stuff in there, but it's moving so fast that the best stuff you can get is actually online. It's all in real time.